Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. So selling ebooks on Shopify is pretty simple because you are selling a digital product, like something no shipping needed. Okay, so actually guys, first you will need to set up your Shopify store. So if you don't already have one, just create your store at Shopify and choose a theme. Any clean one works like that. Okay, and then you will need to install a digital download app, and that's important. So actually Shopify doesn't natively deliver files, so you need an app. Okay, so to do that you will need first to go to the apps right here on the settings, left hand menu, apps, and now just go with the Shopify app store, right? So now you will need to look for the digital product. Okay, and there you go. So this is products importer by Omnia Suits, or you can go with that's one. It's built for Shopify. Okay, it's digital downloads file monk. So just go with that one and then just go and hit install right here. And now you will need just to confirm the installation. So click on install. And then choose or select your language and go ahead get started. And here you will need to select a plan and enter your billing informations and just subscribe to the file monk. So then guys, you will need to add the products. So for example, just go to the products right here, add products, and then just give it a title, for example, my ebook. And then here on the description, explain what the ebook includes. Go ahead and upload right here a PDF, that's the most common, or EPUB or the IP if needed. And then just go with save, right, that you can find right here. Then just set your price. So in Shopify product settings, set your price, for example, $5, $50, depending on the value, and disable the shipping, and that's important. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.